Welcome to GMB Nomads. This is the third episode in our Victorian series. This week we make it down to McGaurans Beach. McGaurans Beach is a free camping spot on the western end of 90 Mile Beach. And you also get a chance to meet our dog Cookie. Also, we get a chance to look at drone fishing with our neighbours at McGaurans Beach. Our journey takes us from home about a 3.5 hour drive down to McGaurans Beach in Gippsland. We're at McGaurans Beach on the 90 Mile Beach, not far from Yarram. And we've actually bought Cookie this time, which is a first in a long time. And here's our little campsite. It's pretty good. Well grassed.
Take it from cold. I'm just.
Yeah. It's a cool breeze, but it's not cold. Yeah, so there's our campsite there. There's farmland just over to the right, and then on this side is the beach, so we're going to go for a walk over the beach now. McGowan's Beach is a great place to bring your dog. Bobby and myself absolutely love dogs, and one of the best things about having a dog is letting it loose on the beach. Just to see the joy on dogs when they're on the beach, it's just fantastic. They have more fun than a dog with two tails, I reckon. Yeah, geez, it's funny. She's going to sleep well tonight. Oh, we got a wet dog. After the romp on the beach, we head back to the campsite. I dry off Cookie, and Bobby prepares us some afternoon tea. And Cookie gets to enjoy it as well. What a delight it is.
Isn't this posh?
Where's your wine?
Here it is. Boy.
Where's your wine, Cookie? Where's your nuts? You enjoying it? You enjoying it? It's nice, isn't it? That's enough. That's what.
So that chicken giblets are cooked up for her. Every time she'd eat in front of you, it didn't matter where. Oh, these guys have got a drone.
Okay.
And they're going to send they've got their fishing rods here. So I think they'll probably go down the beach, but they'll drop the lines out with the drone. I should go and watch them later on. Okay, there's a couple of lads, 3 lads up the road, up the next site, campsite, and they're going fishing tonight, and this is their rig, so they've got a big kick-ass drone. That's their bait. So they'll take that up, drop it out 400 or 500 metres. This must hook onto the drone there somewhere, I guess. And then their rods are up there, so they've got 3 rods. One there going across, and now they're just hooking up another line. This is the first of their lines being taken out to sea. So the first one they take out about 1,200 metres, the next line about 800 metres, and then the third line about 600 metres.
chaotic in the wind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going everywhere, yeah?
Oh, it's just, you go out as hard, as fast.
They're aiming to catch something big like a white pointed shark, but they fish all night without any luck. I'll leave the guys to it, head back to our van, start up the fire, ready for dinner and tonight's entertainment, which isn't much, it's just sitting around the fire and watching the sunset. It was a great night. The next morning, Bobby, Cookie and myself head down to the beach. And our neighbours had no luck with their fishing. The tide's just come in. And there's Cookie and Bobby over there enjoying the water. And now Cookie's going to get let off. Yeah.
This is at 90 Mile Beach. Jeff has wanted to get Kira, who ran away from some rabbit holes. And what a beautiful day. All night we had this sound of waves right at the doorstep, and in the middle of the night it rained like anything. It was thunder, lightning and everything. Just an enjoyable night with my beautiful people and my baby. I love you. Where did you go? Huh? You find anything?
Report on our neighbour's fishing expedition last night. It ended coming to naught. However, later that morning they decided to have another fish before they headed home, and they got better results this time. Here's what happens.
In the way.
The banjo, I'm going to fucking
It's a monster banjo.
After about an hour of trying to bring their catch in, they discovered that it was a stingray, and just about when they landed it, the line actually broke and they lost their catch. We decided to head up to Lake's entrance to see Bobby's sister Ben, and we do some crabbing. We catch some crabs. If you're looking for a free camp near Lake's entrance, try Chinaman's Creek at Meetung. Meetung's about 20 kilometres towards Melbourne from Lake's entrance. It's not a bad little spot. It's fairly small, so get there early. It's got toilets and there's a dump point nearby. Well, that's it for this week. In our next episode, we head out to Heathcote. We find a great little free camping spot and we take our recently purchased e-bikes for a ride on the O'Keefe Rail Trail, which goes from Heathcote to Bendigo. We hope you enjoyed McGaurans Beach. It's a great place to go out for a weekend, so if you get time, make sure you get out there. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Please like and subscribe. Until next week, cheers for now. Bye.